Good day, wonderful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you for being here. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. Please consider subscribing and like this video. In today's video, I want to share with you a spiritual recipe that you can use to protect yourself against every spiritual and physical attack. All you need to do is to watch this video to the end. And for those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, who is just coming in contact of this face for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima once again, and I am a spiritualist. On this channel, we share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual remedies, spiritual messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to solve your spiritual problem, messages that will help you to defeat your enemy using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my father's deities and ancestors in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. Also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural roots, natural herbs that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energy, frequencies, and vibration in order to manifest our spiritual tips on here. So if this is your first time of joining us, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, like this video, share it. And for those of you who are my bona fide subscribers, my day one gang, you know who you are. Those of you who has brought me this far, those of you who has been patronizing me in money and in kind, supporting me, buying my spiritual materials, introducing me to people. What about those of you who has been calling me to testify what God is using me to do all here? I pray for you that it shall be well with you. On today's power part information or recipe or spiritual tips, this is something you should do in order to protect yourself both physically and spiritually against evil attack. You are going to be forever free from every evil spiritual attack or physical attack against you, against your family. If you only do this the way I am going to instruct you. Today's video is not going to take time, but if you have been looking for something, if you have been looking for a spiritual tips or a recipe that can help you to protect yourself both spiritual and physically, search no more. All you need to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end to follow up the instruction. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, do me a favor by subscribing, like this video, and share it. The spiritual materials that we are going to be using on this recipe is just two spiritual materials that God has given the spiritual energy and property and vibration to protect his children. If you know these two materials, I don't think that any man or any woman will harm you. I don't think that any evil attack will come near you, both physical and spiritual. And if you know how to use them, number one material that we are going to be needing here is your Rosary pea seed. Rosary pea seed, or you call it cat eye seed. Cat eye seed, look at it. It's reddish and black. Cat eye seed or rosary pea seed. That is the items, the number one material that we are going to be needing. Another item we are going to be needing here is your alligator pepper. With these two spiritual materials, it's going to protect you from accident. It's going to protect you from cutlass. It's going to protect you from bottle. It's going to protect you from gunshot. It's going to protect you from every evil attack. If you can only listen to the instruction and do it the way I have directed you on here, you will be protected. Your family will be protected, both physical and spiritual. All you will be needing, if you are a lady here, you will be needing the cat eyes 7. If you are a lady, you will be needing 7 pieces, 2, 4, 6. You will be needing 7 pieces of cat eyes. And if you are a man, you will be needing 9 pieces of cat eyes or rosary pea. Don't mind me, let me set it so that everyone will understand how the video goes. You are a man doing this. You have to have 9 pieces of crab eyes. These are for the men and these are for the woman. 7 pieces of crab eyes, 7 pieces of alligator pepper, 9 pieces of crab eyes, 9 pieces of alligator pepper for the men, 7 pieces of crab eyes, 7 pieces of alligator pepper for the female. That is what you would be needing in order to protect yourself against every evil attack, every witchcraft attack, against gunshot, against accident, against cutlass or machete or knife or bottle. But before I tell you how this recipe, how we are going to use it, for it to come to manifestation of protecting you and guiding you and keeping you safe, I would like to introduce my product on here. For those of you who are just joining us for the very first time, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, you are highly welcome. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. Please consider subscribing to the red button down below this video. Like this video and share it. Without wasting each and every one of your time, we have our product here for sale, and it's locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it. It has been from one testimony to the other. If you need any of this product, don't hesitate to grab your copy or call me on the phone. My number is +2347088136610. That is my number. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the love and affectionate soap. We have the favor soap. We have the spiritual cleansing bath detox. We have the stop evil oil. We have the 99 demon manipulation oil. We have the mercy and favor soap. We also have the Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, the movement object remover. Are you suffering from moving object? Have you eaten something in the dream and it has resulted as a sickness? Something is crawling all over your body. Has they poisoned you? Did you match something unknowingly? And since then, something has been crawling all over your body. Has someone shake your hand? After the handshake, your body get out of your body. We have the antidote to your problem. It is called Equable Plus detox, the anti-witchcraft poison remover, the anti-witchcraft poison dissolver, moving object remover. I can beat up my chest 100 times and tell you that this product is tested and trusted. All you need to do is to give it a trial. We ship all part of the whole world: Europe, Canada, US, Australia, South America, all over Africa. We ship part of the whole world with DHL, EMS, and FedEx. If you need each and every one of these products, don't hesitate to call me. I still call my number again, +2347088136610. That is my number. And if you need me to do anything for you spiritually, to look inside your life spiritually, don't hesitate to call me. But remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. God bless you. On today's power part information, without wasting your time, let me conclude this recipe for you on how you can protect yourself from every evil attack, from every human being's attack, both physically and spiritually, with your crab eye seed, or cat eye seed, or rosary pea seed, and alligator pepper. The men will be using 9 crab eyes and 9 alligator pepper, while the female that are doing this will be using 7 crab eyes and 7 alligator pepper. And how can you do this recipe? You will do this recipe early in the morning when you wake up from your sleep. You don't need to greet anybody. You don't need to talk to anybody. In that your home, in that your apartment. As you wake up early in the morning, walk down to your doorstep, to your entrance, the entrance of your door. And this recipe, you have to do it wearing only boxers or your pants. That is how it works. Then, if you are a man, you pick 9 pieces of cat eye seed and 9 pieces of alligator pepper. Put it in your left hand and you begin to pray. You put it in your left palm and stand in front of your door and say this: I protect myself from every evil attack, be it spiritually or physically. No man will destroy me. I will not die by accident. I will not die by gunshot. I will not die by physical attack or spiritual attack. I will not die by machete cord. I will not die by bottle cord. And as I have said it, so shall it be. I call the universe, I call my father's deities and ancestors. Let this be as a protection to my life. I will remain indestructible by any man or any woman. No man will destroy me. No man will destroy me. No evil attack will affect me, both spiritually and physically. And so shall it be. Pour this inside your mouth and use your early morning saliva to swallow it. Anointing no be juju and power no be powder. This works perfectly. This will protect you from every evil, from every spiritual attack, both physical and spiritual. It will protect you from accident. For those of you who are travelers, this will also protect you from gunshot. Yes, this will be in your body. Go and try this out and come back here with your testimonies. You can chat me up on WhatsApp if there's anything you want me to do for you. And if you have never subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor. Subscribe now. Like this video and share it. That is the benefit I got from you people. I am not asking you for money except you are buying my spiritual material. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you for staying tuned to listening to my voice. May God bless you. Whatsoever that made you to come in contact of my face today, my God is going to do it for you. See you. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.